Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this smart trip planner which is called Layla AI. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Layla AI, it is a smart trip planner that helps you create complete travel itineraries in seconds. You just enter your destinations, your date, your preferences, and instantly suggest flight, hotel, and activities tailored to your budget. It's perfect for travelers who want quick AI-powered plan without wasting hours researching. However, while Lena is convenient and easy to use, some users also report glitches and limited free features. It's great for fast automated trip planning, but not ideal for those who prefer full control or detailed customization. So in my conclusion, Layla AI is a handy travel assistant that simplifies trip planning, especially for busy travelers in 2025. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.